So let's just see how we can check if a number is prime or not in Python. The prime number is a number which is greater than 1, and the prime number is only divisible by 1 or the number itself. Like an example, the prime number is 7 because this is only divisible by 1 and the number 7 itself. So in this video we're gonna see how we can write one program in Python so that we can check if a given number is prime or not. So the basic approach will be, we're gonna divide our number by all the numbers from 2 till the number -1. So in between, so whatever number we have, we're gonna divide our number by all of those numbers one by one. So if the remainder of the division is 0, that means the number is not prime. So let's now write the code in Python. So here let's just say the number is 7. So we're gonna run the for loop. So for I in the range, so the range will be from 2 till the number. So we're gonna check from 2 till the number, and we're gonna divide our number by all of those numbers. And if the remainder of the division is 0, that means the number is not prime, and then we're gonna break the loop. But if we find that none of the number can divide our number, that means our number is prime. So else we're gonna print that our number is a prime number. So let's now run this. It is showing a prime number. But if we use another number like 10, here we have the output not prime. So this is the basic approach to check if the number is prime or not. So let's now see how we can optimize this approach. So here basically we are checking from 2 to the number -1. So we are dividing our number by all the numbers in between them, so which is really disadvantageous. Now we can only check from 2 till the square root of that number, because if the number is divisible by a number greater than its square root, then the corresponding smaller divisor would have been found earlier. So we are basically saying that we don't have to check this part, because if our number is divisible by a number, then we are going to already find this earlier right here in this part. So we don't have to meaninglessly check this part of the region. We only can check this part to be sure about if a number is prime or not. So here we can optimize this. So first of all, because we are using the square root, so we have to import the math, and now here we have to improve this. So we have to check in range, so the range will be smaller now because we have optimized. So instead of checking all the numbers in between, we are only going to check the math dot square root of that number. So we're gonna convert this to integer, and then we're gonna add 1 to that number. So we're only going to check from 2 till the square root of that number. So we don't have to unnecessarily check all the numbers in between. And then if the number is divisible by that number, not prime, otherwise we're gonna say the number is a prime number. So the number 10 is not prime, and if we use the number 7, we should see the output as prime. So here we have the output prime. But now our code is optimized because our range is now shorter than earlier. So this way we can check if a number is prime or not. Either we can use the basic approach or we can use the optimized approach. And also we have some other advanced algorithms, like we can use the sieve to find the prime number very easily. So that's it for the video. See you in the next one. Take care.